In this video, we will introduce the prep for NS0-185 NetApp Storage Installation Engineer ONTAP, NCSIE. About the NCSIE certification. Exam requirements. Prerequisite certifications. Understand exam topics. Preparation tips for success. 1. During the handover of an ONTAP cluster, what types of training should be provided to the customer? A. Cluster operation and maintenance. B. How to play video games. C. Personal fitness routines. D. Culinary classes. 2. Which tool is essential for setting up cluster peering in ONTAP? A. An email client. B. A spreadsheet software. C. A generic text editor. D. ONTAP System Manager. 3. For cabling in a high-availability ONTAP cluster setup, which configuration is recommended? A. Star topology. B. Ring topology. C. Dual-switch redundant topology. D. Bus topology. 4. What are two crucial steps in the process of handing over a new ONTAP cluster installation to the customer? Choose 2. A. Demonstrating the operational status. B. Providing the customer with secure administrative access and documentation. C. Assigning a temporary password. D. Configuring additional unused features. 5. How should feedback be gathered during the handover process of an ONTAP cluster? A. Through informal chats. B. Customer acceptance checklist and structured feedback forms. C. By monitoring silent reactions. D. Through anonymous tips. 6. When configuring ONTAP system networking, what is essential to implement for security? A. Broadcast storm prevention. B. Use of multimode fiber cables. C. Configuring firewall policies and secure protocols. D. Audio alerts for network errors. 7. When documenting an ONTAP cluster installation, what is important to include regarding system management? Choose 2. A list of favorite management tools. B. Instructions for system administration. C. Details of the management interfaces. D. Recommended personal user settings. 8. During the process of adding a node to an ONTAP cluster, which step is essential to ensure security compliance? A. Ensuring the node's hardware is the latest model. B. Verifying the node runs the supported ONTAP version and security patches. C. Installing decorative lights for better visibility. D. Conducting a performance benchmark test. 9. Which of the following should be included in the documentation provided to the customer after installing an ONTAP cluster? Choose 3. A network configuration details. B. Passwords in plain text. C. System performance benchmarks. D. Backup and recovery procedures. 10. In the context of security hardening for an ONTAP cluster, what is an important action? A. Disabling unused network ports. B. Decreasing password length requirements. C. Reducing the frequency of security audits. D. Enabling all services for better accessibility. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.